Hey, Tay! Give him all the juice, Tay!
This is all the juice.
Give me the moon doom. More power, baby!
More power.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Welcome back to Poor Boys Racing Channel. Got Matt here. We're at the dyno with TJ. We actually just finished up doing some pulls, and so we didn't plan on making a video today, but we filmed enough stuff and it was really good content. We got a lot of help from Charles Barber, so shout out to him.
Yeah, big shout out.
V8muscle.net, check him out. So we just did a bunch of nitrous pulls. I would tell you what you're gonna see, but you're about to see it. So
it's good.
It's good stuff.
It did good. Ready to do some dynos.
What do you think?
Pretty happy with that? Oh yeah.
Is that enough?
651.
Is that the other 2 degrees of timing?
Yeah, that's pretty good. I think he's gonna bump it down. Yeah, bump it down. Are you on 93?
Yeah,
93? 85?
Yeah, fully. And we tested it before we brought it, and it was 80%. So
It should be good. What was that? Was that 21 degrees or something? 19?
19 degrees. That's not bad.
I said you're gonna be nervous. First hit, that thing's all raised up, making
Have you drove one on the dynos?
I drove it on the dyno.
Okay.
I didn't, because I'm a man.
No, I mean like done pulls on the
No,
dyno.
I've never done pulls on the dyno.
It's a little bit different feeling.
It is a
for
little
sure.
different. Riding in his car, whenever I sat in there for a second, it's definitely different.
Yeah, it's like it's weird going 100 something mile an hour sitting still.
Log that one?
No, my computer's froze. And I'm not trying to force close it.
Did it pick up anything off of that 2 degree? Pull it back. That's all she wants.
2,000 years later.
It's too much.
Too much to run?
Too much, yeah. Yeah, you can cut it off now.
Alright, we did get the log.
Suck windows.
Look at the sweat dripping from his brow.
Yeah. It's so intense.
He's so intense. He's in the moment.
Talking about me?
Yeah, I'm talking about you.
It's all right, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
here. Looks like it's pulling right there, but it should be adding.
Right. That's what because I'm looking at 30. I'm looking at 37. It starts climbing 13.2 and it goes all the way to 14.0. 14.2.
Yeah, it should be pulling right there.
What?
So what's the
What if you
closed
just-
loop compensation's only 2% right there?
Yeah.
What if you just add? Well, that's because it's at 13.0. But whenever it's at 14,
It starts adding and it gets.
oh, that's actual. Sorry, I was
Yeah.
looking at this one.
So what's your target AFR right here?
So this is the target. It's 13 right here,
Okay.
and then this is actual. So
So some it settles into it. It's like it.
yeah. So here.
Now you tuning like the old schoolers. Before we had all this safety shit, you just
Just
let it be.
Oh.
I turned my screwdriver 4 turns and it didn't blow up. That's what you're doing, son.
How much better
Say-
that
say-
look?
say-
It automatically looked better.
Oh yeah, this way smoother.
It wasn't trying to compensate.
Okay.
Crazy. It even felt better. Like
Did it?
it felt better. You could just feel it was smoother.
You got rich right there.
It's
so
all right. It's at
we
the
won't
it's
fix
at the
that.
hit. It's down low. We ain't worried about it. We're okay. At let's go back to your VE table. Okay, from 3,500 RPM and up.
Okay.
Grab your 3. Boy, look
3.
how fat that.
That's where I was kind of stopping and
Okay. Let's grab. We got 126, 125, and 126.
yeah, or 126 all right here, and 125, 124
Okay, make it 126 all the way out.
all the way out.
Yep.
Starting at 3,500.
Yep. That's about 35, right? When it gets fat. Make it 126 all the way out.
Lean as mean.
Okay. And then, now you know for a fact that this is 126. We can't have numbers that high down here.
Okay.
All right. So I want you to change all this to 104. From that 104 over to here 104.
And up.
Yeah, 104. No, 104. That row. All right. Now I want you to grab that and go up to the third row and
Okay.
highlight all that. All right.
all the way
And
up
scroll
here.
to the right. There you go.
You're trying to go
Yeah,
104 smoothly to 126.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to go to all the way to 126 if we're doing that. So,
Well, no, yeah, it is 126.
so like if we go here,
That's fine, and go to the right.
okay, and do fill
Yeah.
row, okay, that it's fill column.
All right. Right click.
So it-
Okay. So grab the
that-
whole thing now. Now go all the way over here. On all the way to the right. Now right click and
Fill
fill.
column.
That's in your interpolate. Go down here, and you're gonna have to help me with the numbers. Those are what? See how it's lean right there?
yeah.
I want you to grab from this column 126 to here and fill rows
to
or
120.
fill columns.
Fill row. We'll do it this way, I think.
Oh yeah, I want to go.
Bro will do it from left to
All
right.
right, go ahead.
So that
All
goes.
right, good.
120.
Look how easy that was.
That's so easy.
So I was trying to
like,
get you
I
to do
need-
earlier.
I
I know
need-
you were nervous.
Well, that and I need like baby steps.
That's
So
okay. Now fill that. Yep. Okay. See, now we're starting to look like
Oh,
got field
we
table.
should. Yeah,
like we should.
like a professional.
Right. All right.
We looking like barber.
All right. And I want you to grab this right here. This row is 120. Right. Well, it's 118 right here.
Yeah.
Well, no. Let's grab this 122.
Okay.
All the way down, all the way that way. Uh-huh.
Don't worry, too.
And I
Charles
want you to fix that lip.
Charles yelled at me too. He told me to sit in the living room in my underwear and make this look
All
look
right,
like
there
that.
you go. All right, so that's getting better, isn't it?
Yeah.
You still got, all right, I want you to grab from here over to clear here and down and fix that. Yep. All right, so at least
That's
the
pretty.
numbers go bigger as they go to the
Exactly.
right and they go bigger up top, right?
So we need to fix this here. So Got it, goes 104.
Yeah, yeah. Go in between the two. Yep. Down. Yep. And fill that.
That's what we
Okay,
want.
there you go. All right. Now, when we make another hit, we're going to look at the air fuel. You know, and
Yeah.
see what it looks like. All right, awesome.
My man.
Yeah, isn't that a lot?
I
Quick.
really appreciate it.
That's quick and easy. The numbers look right. The numbers are right. And you know for a fact that as load goes up, fuel
Right.
has to go up. As RPM goes up, the numbers go up until we reach peak torque.
Then they go
After
down.
peak torque, they start going down.
We're gonna find that out. Then we'll go
Okay.
down and clean it up.
Okay.
If I had to guess, that's probably around 4,000 RPM. That's the reason we took out fuel up here.
Okay.
We just start getting fast.
We're gonna turn this into one of my videos too.
Everybody's getting a video, man.
You get a video. You get a video. You get a video.
Hey, you can edit all that out.
That's right.
Hey, Matthews, where was it the leanest? What RPM? 4,500?
44, 4250.
Okay, so actually go to 45. Go to 45, all right? I want you to interpret that. All right, okay. And you know what? We're gonna leave everything else the same, but I want you to copy these first 3 rows. Go look at your log, you know, where it overlays your thing.
Yeah.
See how it's all over the place?
Yeah.
So you've got too much resolution. So I want you to copy the first 3. I want you to go down another 3 rows. I don't know what cell you using right there.
Right.
You don't. Yeah.
So-
that's why.
Okay, I got you.
Grab your top 3 rows, copy those,
Basically, what we
paste
do with the
them.
top 3 and
Go
go
to
the
the
next
top
one.
6.
Yep.
so all the way down to here.
And we're commanding 13 across the board, right?
2,000 up.
Okay.
Let's double check our overlay and make sure that's exactly where it is. Yeah.
Okay. See?
Well, it honestly don't matter what we're commanding right now.
Yeah, that's no.
Closed loop's off.
We're going to get it closed and we're going to let it roll. Yeah. Because I bet you your closed loop is reading about 13 now. You know? Yeah. All right. We'll make one more pull.
Oh yeah. First nitrous hit here. Taylor looks a little nervous.
We're armed.
Your arm. Nitrous, fun nitrous hit.
Oh, that's what that was?
That was the progression.
Yeah.
The oscillation of the solenoid. He said you gotta hammer it.
Alright, just open it up all the way.
He said all the way, son.
Start off at 100, finish it broad screw piston sidewall. We got it.
All right. Well,
Charles has done this a few times. He's all right. He knows it'd be okay.
Oh yeah, he knows. I'm just kidding anyway. I think it'd be fine.
It'd be fine. Tay Tay, give him all the juice, Tay.
this is all the juice.
Give me the moon doom.
What's your bottle pressure? told you 500 tire. I told you.
That was wild.
That was good. Hey, TJ. Nice, bro. Hey, tuner. Good job.
Massive tuna.
Nice.
No, you better be going to him. She's running. Hey, does it have full pressure?
I don't need that.
Oh, okay.
That's overrated. That's horsepower, Rob. Dude, I'm highly impressed that the clutch didn't slip with 600 foot-pounds of torque. It's a stock clutch. I got it for $100 at O'Reilly's.
Well, it's on borrowed time now. It's on borrowed time.
So we didn't plan on making a video because I wanted to focus on tuning TJ's car and helping him, but we filmed the video. So some of this content is gonna be his. So some of it, you go check his video out because he made a video on this as well. I'm sure it'll come out before mine.
And there's a badass GTO.
And there's a badass GTO we're gonna put in there.
No, there's not.
That is making no boost, but it somehow made
Well, we
600
don't-
or something
we
like
don't
that.
know if it's making boost because I didn't do it right.
Yeah.
So it could be making boost.
It might be
possibly.
making boost. He's got secret nitrous. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video.